this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. Welcome to my channel, especially if you're a newbie here. I welcome you. I ask you to subscribe, click the notification bell for all. That way you get notified of all future uploads. This week, I had placed a small order with SheModern for four jelly water paints. So you can tell by the box and the stuffing I have peeked. A nosy like that. Look at all of this. Let's try to take this aside. Now, looks like Tina has sent me some extra goodies. Let me put my reading glasses on here so we can properly announce them. We have got opaque white water paint. Let me check something real quick. What? Okay, wait, let me see here. Checking to make sure I don't have doubles. This, which I already had, is an opaque white stamping polish. This is an opaque white watercolor polish. This is the color in one. That one's to stamp with. So it's an opaque. This is an opaque peach. Let me shake her up real quick. These do have the metal balls inside. So, you know, during shipment or while your stuff is sitting around, this is a good shake. It'll settle. And there is, you know, dyes, inks included in this, in the mixture, the formula of making the watercolors. So, you just want to give them a good shake. And this one is peach. Let me help just mix it up a little bit here. Okay, there we go. That is a peach opaque. This is, ooh, a metallic. I don't have no metallic, so now I do. This is a metallic black. Golden metallic black, it says. So we're going to put that one down here. This one's, let me see. Oh, yeah. Oh, see how the light's sitting right there? See how it's a golden black? This is not just a straight regular black. This is a metallic. Oh, I want this off. Ah. We'll give this a little shakeroo. Because this is a golden metallic black watercolor polish. Yeah. So this is a metallic. This is a metallic. You got a metallic silver. Where does this one come from? Two opaques. A metallic black. Metallic silver. Turn it over so you can get a gander. Here, and I love how they're packaged. They have this strip of plastic. You just peel it from the bottom, and it comes out just like this. Easy peasy. Okay, this one is a jelly teal watercolor, so I'm going to stick this one over here. Those are metallics. These are my jellies. This is a metallic yellow. It's like a golden yellow. That's really pretty. I like the camera's lagging a little bit here, but this is a golden yellow. Beautiful. And this decals though. I did order this one here. This is a blue jelly watercolor. Here's another white. This is a, I can't see it because of the plastic. This is a sticky pearl. Oh. That'll be nice over black, over dark colors. Sticky pearl stamping polish. Don't have one of those. So I'm going to move these two over. After this, I'm going to show you how I store my palette, my SheModern. This is a sticky silver. So we have a silver metallic. Here's a sticky silver. I have plastic stuck to my hand. Here is a metallic orange. Oh, let me shake her up. Okay, this is a metallic orange. This is gorgeous. Looky, looky, looky. You can make some pumpkins with this. This should be my pink jelly that I ordered. This will be for coloring in as well. And last but not least, we have got a jelly orange. So, our 4 jellies that I ordered were the teal, the blue, pink, and orange. Tina sent me the opaque peach and white, sticky pearl stamping, sticky silver stamping, and 4 metallics in the colors of orange, yellow, black, and silver. Now, let me stand these up. So I'll show you how I store my bottles. On Amazon, you can buy acrylic lipstick holders. Sorry about that, I get a little parched. I bought, at the time when these first came out, I got the idea from Tina from SheModern. I was able to buy these like $8-9 a piece. These are an acrylic lipstick holder. You can find these on Amazon. Now, they're 2 for $24, $26, somewhere in that ballpark, 24 US dollars. But this is really super easy. You can keep these in here. You can turn them to open them. Whoops, I guess if I turn them the right way. You know, you can open them. You don't even have to take them out. I know it's kind of noisy. But you don't even have to take them out. These are my stickies. These are my 2 pastels. I have a matte. You do want to have a matte. You do want the matte water paint. I have the jelly green, neon jelly green water paint, so I'll have 5 in total now. So I'm going to keep that out and put those with those. Oh, there we go. There it goes with these. This is my matte, but this is how I store them in the acrylic lipstick holder. And I just happen to have my very last one available. I bought these, oh my goodness, a year ago, and I've just held on to them. So we're going to start putting my jellies in. So we have got 2, 4, 6. We got our matte green, pink, orange, teal, and blue. Blue, blue, blue. I love this blue. Look at how pretty, beautiful that is. Now this teal, though, look at that. That is stunning. This will be good for a peacock if I had a peacock stamping plate. Okay, now we have got 2 opaques, a white and a peach. So I'm just going to put those right there. These are too sticky, so I got to go back to my original and put, because these are where my stickies go. These are all my stickies right here. Okay. And then our last four, which are our metallics. I'm going to put these in the back row here. We have got the orange, the yellow, the black, and the silver. You can stack these if you want. There's no groove to stop them from sliding though, so you want to be careful about that. But I think these are great ideas for storing your SheModern. You can pop them in a drawer, a cabinet, a box, however you want to, to each their own. But I wanted to show you how I did mine. I'm not going to demo here today. We will save that for next week, because we're getting into our fall stuff now. Halloween. So I've got, some oranges to work with, which I'm excited about that. No reds though. I don't have a red in my collection yet. Got black, green, orange, yellow. No reds. Should have had a red for fall. Anyways, this is our video for this week. It's unboxing and showing you how I store my SheModern Water Paints and sticky stamping polishes. I've got like 4 of these puppies with my old hollow pigments are in one. My pastel water paints, which are discontinued. A lot of my other things, my Sugar Crush, I just keep those in a Ziploc bag in a drawer with all my decals. I don't know what's going on with the decals. I don't know, because right now they're not in the catalog. I don't know if she's bringing them back, if they're going to be permanently discontinued. I know she's working oh so hard on the new stuff. She's revamped everything, her and her team. And I think they have done an outstanding job. So if you get a chance, head over to SheModern.com. Check out their catalog. Everything in there is brand new. Everything. So check them out. We don't have discount codes, unfortunately. And I don't know if there's going to be a sale coming up soon. I'm hoping so. I'll get with Tina about that and I'll let you know in the upcoming weeks. But for now, this is it. We have got our new items. Cannot wait to plate these. I'm going to dig out some more stamping plates and see what I can get into. But for now, we'll see you next week. Have yourself a blessed day and thank you.